Can I ask you something? Have you stopped walking as much because your knees hurt? Maybe every step feels stiff, painful, or even a little scary. And maybe you've been told the answer is simple: just walk more. But what if walking harder isn't the answer? What if the real solution is learning how to move differently? Stay with me, because today I'll show you a gentle Tai Chi walking method that many adults over 50 are using to move with less pain, more confidence, and greater stability, without exhausting workouts and without putting extra stress on their knees. If you're over 50, over 60, or even over 70, and knee pain has started controlling your life, you are not alone. Millions of adults wake up every morning feeling it. The stiffness when getting out of bed, the discomfort when standing up from a chair, the aching sensation during a simple walk through the neighborhood. At first, it seems small, just a little soreness, a little tightness, a little discomfort. But over time, many people begin avoiding movement altogether. They walk less, exercise less, leave the house less, and slowly their confidence begins to disappear. Not because they're weak, not because they're lazy, but because every painful step teaches the brain to become cautious, to become fearful, to expect discomfort. And here's the surprising part. For many adults, the problem isn't simply aging. The problem isn't always the knee itself. Often, it's the way we move, the way we shift our weight, the way we place our feet, the way we use or fail to use the muscles around the hips, core, and legs. That's where Tai Chi walking becomes different. Tai Chi walking is not about speed. It's not about burning yourself out. It's not about pushing through pain. Instead, it teaches the body to move slowly, smoothly, and with greater awareness. Every step becomes controlled. Every movement becomes intentional. And that gentle approach can help reduce unnecessary stress on the knees, while improving balance and confidence. Today, I'm going to guide you through several simple principles of Tai Chi walking that may help your knees feel more supported. And make sure you stay until the end, because I'll share the most common walking mistake many adults over 50 make every single day, without even realizing it. And once you understand it, walking may begin to feel completely different. Why walking hurts more after 50. Let's begin with something important, because many people blame their knees when the real issue may be happening somewhere else. Think about this for a moment. When you walk, your knees are not working alone. Every step involves your feet, your ankles, your hips, your core, and even your posture. They all work together like a team. But as we age, something interesting happens. Many adults begin taking shorter steps. Their posture becomes slightly forward, the hips become tighter, the core becomes weaker, and little by little, more pressure gets transferred directly into the knees. The knees start doing work that other muscles should be helping with. Imagine carrying a heavy grocery bag. If one arm carries all the weight, that arm becomes exhausted. But if both arms share the load, everything feels easier. Your body works the same way. The goal isn't to force your knees to become stronger overnight. The goal is to help the entire body work together again. And that's exactly what Tai Chi walking encourages. Instead of forcing movement, it teaches coordination. Instead of rushing, it teaches control. Instead of fighting the body, it teaches cooperation. And for many people, that small shift changes everything. Tai Chi walking principle number 1. Shift the weight first. Now let's look at the first Tai Chi walking principle. This simple idea can completely change the way you walk. Most people step first, then shift their weight. But Tai Chi walking teaches the opposite. Shift your weight first, then step. Let's imagine you standing comfortably. Instead of immediately lifting one foot, gently move your body weight onto the supporting leg, slowly, smoothly, without rushing. Feel the standing leg become stable. Feel the ground beneath you. Only after your weight has settled do you allow the other foot to move. Notice how different that feels. Suddenly, the moving foot feels light, the body feels balanced, and the knees no longer have to catch your body weight during the step. This is one reason Tai Chi walking feels so graceful. The body is never falling forward, it's simply transferring weight calmly from one side to the other. Many people describe it as walking on purpose instead of stumbling through each step. And the beautiful thing is, the slower you practice, the more your balance improves.
Tai Chi walking principle number 2. Soft knees, soft steps. Now let's talk about something many people never notice: locked knees. Take a moment and think about how you stand. Do you straighten your knees completely? Many adults do, without realizing it. But when the knees stay locked, the joints absorb more impact. Tai Chi walking encourages something different: soft knees, relaxed knees, supported knees. Not bent deeply, not squatting, just slightly relaxed. Imagine the difference between a rigid tree branch and a young branch that bends gently with the wind. Which one handles pressure better? The flexible one. Your knees are similar. When they remain slightly relaxed, movement becomes smoother. Shock is absorbed more naturally. The body flows instead of jolting. Now combine that with slower steps. Notice your foot touching the ground carefully. Heel, midfoot, then the rest of the foot. No stomping, no crashing, no rushing. Just quiet, controlled movement. Many people are surprised by how calming this feels. Not only for the knees, but for the mind as well. Because every step becomes an opportunity to slow down, breathe, and reconnect with your body. Tai Chi walking principle number 3. Walk taller, not harder. Now let's explore the third principle, and this one may surprise you. Posture. Most people think knee pain is only about the knees, but posture affects every step. Imagine a string gently lifting the top of your head toward the sky. Not stiff, not military posture, just tall and relaxed. As you lengthen the spine, something interesting happens. The shoulders relax, the chest opens, breathing becomes easier, and the body naturally aligns itself more efficiently. Now imagine walking from this position. Tall, calm, balanced. Every step feels lighter. Every movement feels smoother. This is one reason Tai Chi walking often looks effortless. The goal isn't power. The goal is efficiency, using less effort to move with greater comfort. And for adults over 50, that can make a remarkable difference. Because movement should help you feel younger, not more exhausted. Daily 5-minute practice. So here's a simple challenge for you. Tomorrow morning, or even later today, find 5 quiet minutes. Stand tall. Relax your shoulders. Take one slow step. Shift your weight first. Keep the knees soft. Move calmly. Then take another step, and another. No destination, no hurry, no pressure. Just 5 minutes. You may be surprised how different walking can feel when your body is given permission to slow down. Remember, healing doesn't always happen through harder effort. Sometimes it begins with gentler movement. And that is one of the beautiful lessons of Tai Chi walking. If you enjoyed today's video, leave a comment below and tell me where you're watching from.
And if you'd like more gentle Tai Chi walking sessions designed specifically for adults over 50, subscribe and turn on the bell so we can continue walking together, one gentle step at a time. I'll see you in the next walk.